Good evening everyone, my name is Junji T. Taransa and this is the two concept that I choose in lesson 3. So, dialogical self-theory. So, why it resonate with me? Dialogical self-theory resonate with me because I have different roles in my life such as being a student, a family member, and a friend. Each role influenced my thought and reaction, helping me better decision personal. So, example, as a BS criminology student, I am disciplined and focused in school, at home, I am responsible son who help with household chores. I am with my friends. I become supportive and understanding. These different roles work together to shape who I who am I as a person. Second is Brian Morris Anthropology to the self. Why it resonate with me? Brian Morris perspective resonate with me because it explained that the self develops through personal experiences and interactions with other people. I believe that if even experience, whether good or bad, helps shape who I am and teaches me valuable reasons. Example, a BS criminology student. I have learned a lot from my classmates, instructors, and training activities. At first, I was shy and lack of confidence with participating in class discussion. However, through interaction with other others, accepting feedback and gaining new experiences, I become more confident and responsible. This experience helped me understand myself better and continue to grow as a person. In lesson 4, the two concepts that I chose is Carl Rogers self-theory and real self and ideal self. So, Carl Rogers self-theory, why it resonate with me? Carl Carl Rogers self-theory resonate with me because it teaches that people can grow and improve through their own choice and experiences. It reminds me that I am not limited by my mistake and that I can become a better version of myself. Example, when I first entered college, I struggled to adjust to new subjects and responsibilities. Instead, of giving up, I study harder, ask ask for help from my classmates and practice regularly. Over time, I become more confident in my abilities. This experience showed me that I can shape who I become through effort and determination. Second is real self and ideal self. Why it resonate with me? This perspective resonate with me because I know there is a difference between who am I today and the person I want to become, the ideal self. It motivates me to keep improving while accepting my current strength and weaknesses. For example, as a BS criminology student, my real self is someone who is still learning and developing skills. My ideal self is to become a disciplined, responsible, and trustworthy law enforcement officer. I work hard in my study to train so that I can gradually become a person I aspire to be. Thank you.